Hello everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan and I'm a legal intern in LEXCLIQ company, and today's topic of mine is kinds of company on the basis of different classification. On the basis of incorporation, firstly chartered companies. Companies set up as a result of a royal charter granted by a king or a queen of a country as known as chartered companies. For example, the East Indian Company. Secondly, the statutory companies comes there. Companies set up by a special act or a parliament or a state legislature is known as a statutory company. After it is the registered company. Registered companies under the Indian Companies Act 1956, and now which is changed to 1913 Companies Act. And further there is a licensed companies. Companies established for the promotion of arts, science, religion, charity or any other similar objects which are obtained or licensed under section 25 of the central government and enjoys each privilege. Secondly, on the basis of liability. Firstly, the company which is with the limited liability. It is a company where the liability of a shareholder remains limited to the nominal value of the shares held by him. And secondly, there is the unlimited company where the liability of its members are unlimited. In other words, their liability extends to their private properties also. Unlimited companies are almost non-existent these days. The companies are classified on the basis of number of members. That is, a private limited company, a company which has a minimum paid up capital of rupees 1 lakh or such higher paid up capital as per the prescribed article, restricted the right to transfer of its shares to other person, limited the number of members up to 50 members, but it has now increased to 120 members in a private limited company. It also prohibit any invitation to the public to subscribe for any shares in or in their debentures or for the company, and it also prohibit any invitation or acceptance of deposit from person other than the members or the directors or of their relatives. There is a public limited company. A public limited company means a company with a minimum paid up value of a capital of rupees 5 lakh or such higher paid up capital as may be prescribed. There is a classification of a company on the basis of control. Firstly, the holding company. A company is known as the holding company. On the other hand, if it has a control over the other company, according to section 4, subclause 4 of the company is deemed to be as holding company of another, but only if that other it is a subsidiary. A company may become a holding company of another company in three ways. Firstly, by holding one or the more than 50% of its normal value of issue of its equity capital of the company, or by holding more than 50% of its voting rights, or by securing itself the right of appointment or the majority of directors of the other company directly or indirectly. There is a subsidiary company. A company is known as a subsidiary of another company when its control is exercised by the latter company. It is called as the holding company over the subsidiary company. Section 4 subclause 1 of a company states the subsidiary company. A company is known as subsidiary of another company when its controls is exercised by the latter one, that is the holding company over the of ownership. There is a government company. Government company means any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held by the central government or the state government or by both. As this was all about the kinds of company, and if you need any information related to it, please do write in the comment section, and please do like, subscribe, share with your friends, and please do subscribe this channel LEXCLIQ.